They just adjust the price 2 weeks ago, dropped like around 10,000. It's kind of like devastated for the price. We love the car.
Welcome to Tesla's Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're doubling back to the Hastings Ranch Supercharger in Pasadena, California.
let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Pasadena, California, in the Hastings Ranch area, where they have a total of 18 superchargers. I just want to thank you guys for hanging out with us. So you know what to do to keep showing that support. There's a like, there's a subscribe, and if you know anyone that wants to hang with us, make sure you share the content over with them. So here are my initial impressions of the Hastings Ranch Supercharger. Initial thoughts. This is in the back end of a shopping mall, so you might have to creep and crawl your way through the back end where there's no immediate store access. This is where this part of the charger is in the parking lot. Initial feelings. Me personally, I have a feeling of nostalgia because I grew up in the area and I went to high school kind of around the corner, so I've got that nostalgia vibe going on. Initial concerns. I'm not concerned whatsoever. This is a high traffic area despite it being towards the back, and even at nighttime when it's not as well lit during the daytime, there's a lot of people walking to and from, so you will definitely be safe. Thank you so much, and hang tight for the review.
Let's hear what our guest Sophia has to say about the area.
I live a lot closer than here, so I like it here. It's easy, and I like the environment here. Not that crowded, and this is fast. That's it. It's close to my home.
If there was no supercharger here, would you still come back to this parking lot?
No, to be honest with you, I never know here's a parking lot before, because I always go to the plaza there. I park my car close to the Best Buy, but I never know here's another parking space here.
Chargers gets the full start, 20 of them at 250 kV, 24/7. Half a star for bathrooms, 364 feet away inside the Nordstrom rack. Safety gets a full star, well-lit outdoor parking. Food and beverage gets a full star. You have coffee, really cool Mexican food, and ice cream. Cool factor gets half a star. This is your basic outdoor strip mall supercharger that does offer quiet and some tranquility, being in the less busier back end of the parking lot. The Hastings Ranch Supercharger in Pasadena, California gets a 4.0 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions: half a mile from the 210 Freeway Sierra Madre Villa exit. That's the exit I would take to Shoestring's old pad. Let's give our guest Sophia the final word.
Do you think other EVs should be able to use the Tesla superchargers?
If for convenience sake, yeah, it should. But I respect that Tesla should have some exclusive technique. We should respect the differentiation between Tesla and other, because they spend so much money on the technique stuff. Tesla is Tesla.
Do you charge at home?
Yeah, I do. We have an old house, so we use like the slowest way to charge. I normally charge at my workstation or the supercharge.
So why do you supercharge, Sophia?
I'm not really like planning ahead per person. So sometimes I need a long trip. I forgot to charge at home. It's kind of a last minute decision, last minute. That's why.
Are you mentoring anyone?
Maybe some of my employees, but I don't think like employee and me, we are like teaching each other like that. I hardly say I'm a mentor. We are growing together.
If you're treating your employees right, believe me, you are mentoring them very well. Now, do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
Do your stuff like step by step, and you're gonna achieve a lot. Just follow it. Do it step by step. Repeat it over and over and over. after 3 years, you're gonna achieve a lot. Trust me. Don't interrupt by anything. Just follow it.
Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you later, okay?
Dang it.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
Dear Elon, please do not drop the price for Model Y. I just purchased car like 4 months ago. Then they just adjust the price 2 weeks ago, dropped like around 10,000. It's kind of like devastated for the price.
It doesn't seem fair.
No, it doesn't at all.